Hello, this video and report provides the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats year in review for 2023. Sales were down, prices were down, and affordability was still a challenge for many people out in the market. The market has corrected, and yet we still classify 2023 as a seller's market. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics relative to 2022. In Guelph, the median sale price was $770,000, which was down by 6.2%. The average sale price per square foot was $516, down by a little over 5%. The total number of listings was 2,740, down by 16%, and the total number of sales was 1,654, down by 14.8%. In the Tri-Cities, the Kitchener median sale price was $721,000, down by 7%. In Waterloo, it was $751,000, down by 2.5%, and in Cambridge, it was $737,000, down by 4.9%. The market as a whole was one in which the number of homes available did not keep up with the overall growth of the market. Interest rates have taken some buyers out of the market and helped reduce prices somewhat. However, the number of people wanting to get into the market has grown and offset much of the downward pressure. The market last year showed signs of returning to long-term averages. The sales to new listings ratio illustrates a growing, albeit slowly, level of inventory as home sales were at 59% of the new listing inventory. This means that there is a growing pool of available homes for buyers to choose from. For the year, we remained in a seller's market, although the last 2 months of the year turned into a balanced market and was trending toward a buyer's market. While sales activity was well off the pace from previous years for many reasons, sales prices have remained relatively high as overall market supply has dropped. As we turn our attention toward 2024, I feel that there are two main things to keep an eye on. The first is interest rates. If interest rates begin to drop this year, I expect the market to pick up and prices to rise again. And the second is inventory levels. If inventory levels drop in conjunction with a rate drop, it really could heat up the market. Conversely, if inventory levels increase and rates remain constant, the market rate may remain slow and stable for the foreseeable future. Bank of Canada just held rates again on the 24th of January, and the next rate announcement will be on March 6th. It'll be an interesting one to watch out for. The general feel I have based on my daily interactions is that this year will be a year of rebound with increased listing and sale activity. I feel that after a little lull in 2023, people are thinking and talking about moving more and more. I've seen a lot of activity out there in the market already, and even a house that I thought was priced pretty fairly last week ended up with 9 offers. Hopefully that was an anomaly, but it may be a sign to come. At any rate, if you're thinking about buying or selling in 2024, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you. Thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.